In this question, you have to identify how viroids differ from viruses. Now, viroids are the simplest infectious particles, often infecting plants and causing several diseases. And it consists of a circular single-stranded RNA molecule. And they do not have a protein coat. And this distinguishes them from viruses. And viruses contain either RNA or DNA as genetic material, which is enclosed within a protein coat, and sometimes maybe additional lipid envelope may be present. Now coming to the options, option A, DNA molecules without protein coat. It is incorrect because, as stated, viroids do not contain DNA. They are completely composed of RNA molecules. Option B, RNA molecules with protein coat. It is also incorrect because protein coat are absent in viroids. Option C, RNA molecules without protein coat. Now, viroids, as already stated, consist of circular RNA molecules and they do not have a protein coat. And this feature distinguishes them from viruses. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, DNA molecules with protein coat. It is incorrect because viroids neither have DNA nor do they have protein.